So we're here at my little station, Mount Little Station in the Flinders Ranges, and we're just having a little bit of a walk to the Mayo Gorge. It's an absolutely beautiful day. They do use 1080 bait here. They do keep it out of the camp areas and normal walking trails, but you know, there's still a chance it could be around, so we're on high alert, and it is just the beginning of snake season as well. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. We'll take you with us. Mount Little Station, Saturday night, and it's pizza night here, so awesome pizzas. Sorry, the flies are still really bad, but yeah, just in here. Quite a few people here. Really good to catch up with other campers and share stories. Bit of a foggy morning here in Mount Little Station. I would say the fog's starting to lift, but it's actually rolling down the mountains. But yeah, it will be a beautiful day. I can smell nasturtiums. I've smelt it all night. If anyone knows what that is, please drop a comment. I've got no idea. Something out here smells like nasturtiums and there ain't no nasturtiums. So yeah, let me know. But yeah, gonna be another awesome day here. So bacon and egg cups. Make your cup out of the bacon, drop an egg in. I've got some semi-dried tomato on hand. I had a little bit of basil and salt and pepper in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the eggs are cooked. And you can have them hot, or we're going to take it as lunch today, put it in the fridge and have it cold later on. Awesome, yummy, protein-filled meal on the run. Just out of the oven. They took 25 minutes today.
So this is the Goat and Goon Salon. So this is where a couple of the lads decided that they're going to build themselves a little humpy for when they went goat hunting. So essentially they would go goat hunting, but generally it was just a boys' weekend and they'd be camping here and drinking and occasionally shooting goats.
fabulous. Being at the Flinders Ranges, loving every minute of it. Even though it's like really dusty. And there's lots of sticky little flies.
That don't annoy me, but bother my wife
They
terribly.
do, yeah. But I'm still having a great time. I was a little bit scared yesterday actually. We went on the 4-wheel drive track and there was a couple of really big washouts and I'm like, oh my god, if the wheel goes in there we're done for. I couldn't look. I should have filmed it, but I couldn't look. But obviously we got through it okay. So this is Hidden Valley, spectacular view from up here. Beautiful little spot and the perfect place for a lunch break. So this morbid site is called Skull Tree. Gee, Norm's looking a bit brown. Looking a bit dirty there, Norm. Check this out. So we've got more of the settlers' ruins here. And the dam. Beautiful country. There we go. We just saw a fish snake and I didn't bloody turn the video on. Yeah, so they're around. So we are on our way to see the old school ruins. Just went and checked out Williana Homestead, which
It's under renovation.
under renovation. We didn't go any closer, but we had a little look from a distance. Oh, a wagon. Very good. So Brenton said that's an old water tank. Ruins and stuff there. Want to see what's going on too, Charlie?
Oh, looks like that would have been a cellar.
That's what I thought.
So this was probably a schoolhouse and the teacher's house. The school and the teacher's
Oh, rubbish dump. Yeah, it would have been a well, I'm guessing.
or a water tank.
Definitely not a swimming pool.
No.
Ah, Jesus! That was a bird that just flew out of the little hole down here in the wall.
There's a dog tailgate.
I saw that. I didn't really want to do Little Mount Little, and we seem to be doing it. Excuse the swear words.
It's not covering someone else's name in there, it's pretty good. That looks like that's worn down.
Oops. Oops.
Rock and roll, baby.
Now we got to get down. Morning, folks.
Morning.
So we've had 3 nights here at Mount Little Station. Loved every minute of it. We spent 2 days really exploring the station.
Yep.
Doing lots of 4-wheel driving. Brenton freaking me out a little bit. But we need to head off today. We're going to head back to Walker, dump the toilet, fill up with water, and then we're heading up to
Parachilna Gorge. There's about 4 or 5 free campsites up there.
So we'll head up there and do a bit of free
So
camping.
we'll do maybe 3 days free camping, then we